Sweet guys, if you were on the live with us, it was 90-degree weather. The weather has totally switched up on us. It's actually cold. I'm in a sweatshirt. We still got some light out though, so that's nice. Thank you so much, John, for the follow. Huh? That's it? Nice. Self-tappers, he said. It is a 68 Firebird.
Or self-drilling. So a self-tapper is different than self-drilling. I don't know if you can tell with those flat spots over there. That's actually like a drill bit. So these are really awesome.
Oh, it's not focusing. Sorry, can you do it one more time? Gotcha, got it.
Okay. So these works like a drill bit. So you just put them on a little impact.
We are in California.
That'll hold the panel in place. Put a bunch of self-tappers, hold it all in place. Then you can test fit everything before you weld anything, because when you weld, you add warpage, you know, even if it's small. You don't want to weld something twice. You don't want to do it twice. Here are the inner fenders. Those are in. Everything's all painted inside. Windowless replacement. Run a full bead on here, and you need the gap between so the weld can penetrate. If not, it will rust out. Trust me. So everything's straight. Look down the side of the car. Even the gap from here to there. So we already put new inner fenders on the outside. lot of patience. I've been working on this for like 3 days. So you just do tack welds all the way down. And then eventually I'll put it. Took like 2 days to make sure that all the holes fit in. I gave myself a 1-inch gap all the way down. Family protected candles. Don't you look stupid right now.
Now, I think he did. I think that's what he's been working on today. Is the bodywork. Bodywork's done. Yeah. Road Dog, thank you so much for the follow.